Hey guys, it's been a long time. It's been a while. I think the last time I vlogged, my baby was like 3 months, 4 months. I don't know. Now he's 8 months, you guys. Baby sleeps way better now, so that should give me some time to vlog here and there. But today is Monday. Right now is 5:14 p.m. Baby's taking a nap, and I just decided, you know what? Let me just get my phone and start vlogging, and let's make this a weekly vlog. So right now I'm just making lunch for my boyfriend for tomorrow. I'm making some chicken and some white rice. That's what he likes, so that's what I'm gonna make him. But guys, look how long my hair is. I haven't had my hair this long in such a long time, because every time it gets to this length I go poof, oh, I want short hair, and I cut it. But this time I'm like, nope, I'm not cutting it. I look crazy, by the way, because you know my comfy clothes to be home. I did lose some hair over here after I gave birth, like I'm gonna say 3 months after I gave birth, and I started using like a dropper that I bought online from a girl that I follow on Instagram. She's from like my area, and look at that hair. I'm gonna see if I find a before picture, because maybe you guys will notice any difference, like, girl, what are you talking about? I see that hair is perfectly, this is baby hair. But no, girl, I was bold. I was getting bold. This is the dropper I was talking about, and yes, I love the name and this little thing right here. She's crazy, but she's a cool person. I don't know her in person, but trust me, you can see her vibe off of her videos on social media. This is a very natural, ingredient dropper, as you can see. And this is not sponsored, by the way. She don't even know I exist. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below. I just wanted to share with you guys, help my girls out, anybody that is going through the same thing. You guys, I cannot find my tripod to put my phone on it to record, and this has been so difficult to find a place where to put my phone, and I look crazy. So today we are on a mission to find the tripod. Now we're making lunch. Okay, everything is cooking here. Big. This is red, rojo, orange, naranja. Teddy bears are soft and cuddly. Yes, se siente suave, ¿verdad? Con los deditos, así. So this is my food. White rice with peppers and some corn and chicken. And this is baby's lunch. He has some lentils, chicken, and white rice. We're gonna eat now. And I think I'm gonna take a little bit of lentils too and throw it on top of my rice. Somebody's already waiting for his food. Lunch was good. This is what we left. So this is baby's food. This is the same lentil pasta, red lentils, with avocado sauce, with cream cheese, and garlic powder. And I have shredded chicken also there. And this is my plate right here. Mine is with heavy cream and all of that. Arriba, 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 arriba y arriba. Tómalo, tómalo. ¡Abajo! Up, up, up. Down. Up. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I didn't record yesterday though. Today's Saturday. I was supposed to finish this vlog yesterday, but your girl had a busy day yesterday outside the house. I was with my mom and all that, so I didn't want to record. Today is a relaxing day. As you guys saw, it's raining, so the rain is gonna stay home. And I'm going to start editing this vlog. So my little bestie woke up from his nap, and I think I'm just gonna end the video right here. We're just chilling on the couch watching some YouTube for a little bit. And yeah, the video is already a little long. I was editing the vlog and it's already like into 8-9 minutes, and we don't want this to be a whole movie. So I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope to see you on our next video. Bye bye.